New tonight at 6, helping a struggling community. A Metro Atlanta nonprofit just received a $1 million grant to help expand its services in Fair Oaks in Cobb County.
So this is a story you're only going to see on 11 Alive. Paulo Soro explains how they plan to use that money to help families get better health care and immigration services.
That $1 million grant will help nonprofit Ser Familia provide families access to physicians, food security, and childcare, services that CEO Belisa Urbina says are not easy to find, especially for Latino families here in Fair Oaks.
With the amount of people and so many of them being uninsured, it's going to take both of us and more to really make a dent.
The start of that dent comes in the form of $1 million from the Community Foundation for Greater Atlanta. With it, Urbina says Ser Familia will be able to expand its services for the community of 9,000. She says over 50% of Fair Oaks residents are Latino and have trouble finding resources.
Many of those families coming from specific countries, usually the men are documented, maybe through a TPS, but in most cases the women and children were not. So we have a larger number of kids in the community that are uninsured.
According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the median income in Fair Oaks is $53,000, significantly lower than Cobb County's average of $86,000. Less than half of the population there has health insurance.
Unemployment in that community is very low. It's just that the families earn so little that it's difficult for them to get ahead.
She says this money will also help start an after-school program at Fair Oaks Elementary with partners like the YMCA and Wellstar.
We are hoping that in 20 years, there's going to be a transformational effort that is really going to improve the outcomes of the families, that we're going to have children that are going to be raised in families that are emotionally stable, financially secure.
Urbina says they are still looking for more funding to carry out this program for years to come. In Cobb County, Paulo Soro, 11 Alive News.